Since I've been able to find some place to stop and cook, and this is a fishing access point. I'm hoping to find a place for a shower today, and tomorrow I'm going to be at Yellowstone National Park.
Park I stayed at for breakfast, a lot of people ended up showing up. I wondered what was going on. Earlier, I had tried to find a church to go to in Butte, Montana, but there was so many, so I didn't know which one to go to. Anyway, this group, they invited me over to them, and they had a baptismal service. It was pretty cool, and so we had a lot of fellowship. I was there for a few hours, talking and just learning about their faith and just sharing things. It was wonderful talking about the Lord. And then they shared their goodies with me. They had a whole picnic laid out. They would not let me leave without eating. So it was just great time, great fellowship. And so I felt that God led me there to spend that time. And it was just really good. So I enjoyed that. I am not sure what those things are. If anyone can tell me, that would be great. Wonderful shower at State Park. Cost me $3 American as long as I wanted. Felt so good. And now I am on, this is BLM land, and I'm just going to stay here for a little while, and I might camp here for the night. It is very, very plus bear country. So I get a little nervous that they'll break into my vehicle while I'm sleeping. Only because I've seen videos where they broke into vehicles and stole cases of pop. So anyway, I hope not. But I will just pray that the Lord keeps me safe tonight. And then tomorrow is Yellowstone Park. And I'm only about 10 minutes away. Yay! There's an elk over there. I am in Wyoming at Yellowstone National Park. I'm just down at the river. This is my first stop. But I just happened to see an elk over there. So I don't have the best zoom, but at least I can sort of have a look. You can see steam rising, bubbling up. You can see over there is steam, just coming up everywhere. It comes up out of the ground. It not even has to be in a pool of water.
Wow, they're having a fight. This is unbelievable. Hmm. Guess we're not going anywhere for a little while. Oh, wow. Woo! You don't know whether to cross or not, keep going or not. What's going to happen? Well, I can't see. I've never seen bison up close now. Wow. The ranger had to kind of lead and guide us there. It's like a lonely one over there, too. Old gray one, or rolling in the mud. Wow, that was an experience. That was a total cool experience. I wanted to see some animals this trip, and I got to see some. A little hot for a bath. A hot river or creek. Feel the heat coming off these ones. Wow. Just standing here. There are more geysers, hot springs, mud holes, and everything in Yellowstone than all the rest in the world combined. So far on this little trail of paint pots, we've seen white, blue, and now this one's kind of green. One's a little bit red. Here's the white one, bubbling up. Another red one, and another green one there.
an awesome day at Yellowstone National Park today. Saw lots of bison, as you saw in the video. And my favorite was that battle of the two, headstrong. Anyway, it was a great day. Lots of geysers, lots of hot springs, lots of bubbling water, different colors. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.